Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right away by unlocking your device and locating the app you want removed. Don't over-prepare. Once found, press and hold the icon for a short second until options appear. This begins the action. If a menu pops up, choose the Edit or Remove option. If icons start jiggling, you're in the correct mode. Make sure to distinguish Remove from Home versus Uninstall, because the next steps differ depending on whether you want to keep the app installed. Now you'll perform the core step. Tap Remove, Delete, or drag the icon to the top or bottom remove area. Exact wording varies by system. If you chose Remove from Home, the app stays installed but disappears from the screen. If you chose Delete, the system uninstalls it, reclaiming storage. Once done, release the icon and confirm any prompts. Make sure to check the app library or settings after this to verify whether the app remains installed or was fully removed. Finish by exiting edit mode, tap Done or press the Home button to lock the layout and confirm the icon is gone. If the app still appears, restart the device first. If that fails, clear the Launcher or Home app cache in settings because stale cache can display phantom icons. If you accidentally uninstalled, reinstall from the store or restore from backup. One key tip: reboot before drastic steps. It often resolves display issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.